Let's look at example 6. We are asked to determine if the line y minus 2x equals to 1 perpendicular to the second line. So remember, for perpendicular we must prove that m1 times m2 equals to negative 1. Okay, let's start off with the first line. Y minus 2x equals to 1. Change into y equals to mx plus c. Then we should get m1 equals to 2. Okay. So for the second line, 2y plus x equals to 2. Change the format to y equals to mx plus c. Therefore, the gradient of the second line is negative 1 over 2. Alright? So now if we multiply m1 with m2, which is 2 times negative half here, we should get the answer negative 1. So since the answer is negative 1, therefore we can say that the two lines are perpendicular to each other. Okay? Okay, example 7. Find the equation of a straight line that passes through 1, 2 and then perpendicular to the second line. So in this equation, we will start off with the equation x plus 5y equals to 2. Rearrange to y equals to mx plus c. We should get m equals to negative 1 over 5. So since the line is perpendicular to this line, alright, so m1 is equals to negative 1 over 5. Then the perpendicular line will be equals to 5. Because 5 times negative 1 over 5 will give us negative 1. Okay? So from here, the equation of the line which is perpendicular to this line is given by the formula y minus y1 equals to mx minus x1. So substitute y1 with the coordinate y, which is 2, and then m substitute with 5. So x minus x1 substitute with 1. Okay? So from here, expand the right hand side, we should get 5x minus 5. Shift the 2 to the right, we should get y equals to 5x. Negative 5 plus 2 will be negative 3. So this is the straight line which is perpendicular to x plus y equals to 2. Okay? Alright, next we move on to intersection of two lines. Alright, so if we are given the two lines 2x plus y equals to 4 and x minus y equals to 2. Alright, so we write 2x plus y equals to 4 as equation 1 and x minus 2 equals to 2 as equation 2. So what we need to do is to look at the variable x and variable y to see if we can get rid of any of these two variables. So in this case, we see that the 2x and x is different, but y and y is the same. Right? In order to get rid of y, so what we need to do is we take equation 1 plus equation 2. Okay? We add these two equations. So 2x plus x will give us 3x. Y plus negative y, we can cancel. And then 4 plus 2 will give us 6. Therefore, x equals to 6 over 3 equals to 2. And then we substitute x equals to 2 into either equation 1 or equation 2 to find the value of y. So in this case, we substitute into equation 1. So substitute x equals to 2 into here. X equals to 2. So we have 2 times 2 plus y equals to 4. So 2 times 2 is 4. 4 plus y equals to 4. Shift the 4 to the right. We have 4 minus 4 equals to 0. Okay? Hence, the intersection point of these two lines is given by x2, y0. So we write as in the form of coordinate 2, 0. Okay? Let's look at the next example. Example 9. We are asked to find the intersection of the line 2x plus 4y equals to 6 and 6x plus 3y equals to 18. So as usual, we will write this equation as equation 1, the second equation as equation 2. So if we look at the variable x, 2x and 6x, they are different. 4y and 3y, they are also different. So what we need to do is to determine whether to get rid of x or to get rid of y. So in this example, we will multiply the first equation by 3 in order to make the y equals to 12. Alright? So in this case, we have equation 1 times 3, so 2 times 3 will give us 6x, 4 times